Here's the home at number 11 Denny Lane in Huntleigh, Missouri. Give you the exterior. Really nice Colorado contemporary. Sits on a really nice driveway. And then looking to the left, which is going to be west, we've got our attached 2-car garage. Really nice front yard. Does have a beautiful flagpole. And then looking back towards the house, it does have a cedar shake roof on the front and the rear. Property sits on approximately 3 acres. It is designed that if you want to have horses, it does have enough acreage for that. This all looks really nice. Beautifully landscaped. It was designed in a Colorado contemporary design by architect Ted Christner. Really nice entrance here, covered. Got the can lighting. Beautiful front door. Coming on through. Nice ceramic foyer entrance. Beautiful staircase there leading to the finished basement and second floor. Looking to my left, we have our powder room, updated kitchen. There's a bonus room there to my left. Really nice wide front door. Coming back around. I'll show you our family room here in the rear first. We've got our owner's suite there to the right. It's main floor with the additional 3 bedrooms on the second floor. We have a great room there to the left. Really nice staircase. Walking through, beautiful hardwood floors, gas fireplace straight ahead. Really nice stained glass. This is facing west to southwest, so you get really good light coming in there. Really nice floor to almost ceiling windows overlooking the beautiful backyard. Nice balcony style here on the second floor to the 3 bedrooms up there. Each bedroom on the second floor does have its own bathroom and walk-in closet. Here we've got our dining room with the chandelier lighting. Nice coat closet. Walking back through, heading towards the great room, we do have our breakfast area to the right here. Nice ceramic floor, good deck access. And then here to the left is our great room. Give you a view here off the balcony. Get the light to adjust. Really nice wood beam ceiling, excellent uplighting. That is a wood burning fireplace. And then here, we've got the wet bar. Spiral staircase, which will take to the second floor, and our updated kitchen. Walking through, we are right next to the deck, so I'll take a peek out back. Really good sized deck. To the left is another deck, which I'll show you. That's going to be a screened in deck. So it looks really nice. You can walk off, as you can tell. Good stairwells coming down. Again, you have the cedar shake roof. Give you a view of the backyard. So it looks really nice. We'll conclude off the patio in the backyard. To my left there is a little fenced in area. If you have a dog, I'll show you we've got a side room for that. Nice to have the screened in deck as well. That way with the mosquitoes in the summer. You could also put a little space heater out there for the winter. Coming back through, get our door closed. Walking down to the great room. A couple steps going down. Your peg hardwood flooring here, which looks to be in really good shape. So the home was designed to allow as much light as possible facing south. Beautiful granite countertops here with the wet bar. And then over here, we've got double doors leading to the screened in deck. Over here, it does have a walk-off also from the screened in deck. Looks really nice. Looks like it might be cedar wood throughout. A lot of outlets, good overhead lighting and fan. Walking back through, we do have a nice exterior door here. This is where it walks off to the fenced-in part of the yard. There we go. A couple stairs leading down. We have our driveway here to the left. 2-car garage. Show you that here in a moment. View of the home. And walking down this way, several gates leading to the unfenced part of the yard. See here off the walkway. And then straight ahead here, that way if you have to cut the grass, easy to get in and out. I have a little garden set up here to my left. Again, this is really nice if you need to let dogs in or out, or maybe you have little kids, you want to keep them fenced in. Walking back in, walking through the great room. There you go, get the light to adjust. Does take us up to the updated kitchen. Here's a view of our kitchen. Really nice can lighting. Nice tuck under lighting on the cabinetry as well. Tons of cabinetry. Subway tile backsplash. Looks to be quartz countertops. Deep sink. Nice built-in there for the refrigerator. We have our laundry room straight ahead. I do want to show you a copy of the survey since it's here. You can always pause the video to get a better view. Here's where the house sits. And then looking this way. Again, you can always pause that to get a better view. Coming back out. Nice, great sized laundry room. Does have a walk-in pantry here to my left. Have your ironing board and the closet door right there. Good sized pantry. It does have electric hookup in there as well. And swing back around, nice seating area here, putting on shoes, coats as well. And walking out here, great lighting in our garage. Some built-in shelving here into the rear. Good attic access as well. Coming back through, we do have, heading down this way, powder room to the left and a bonus room to the right. Some more built-in shelving here. And here's our powder room. This is where we entered through the foyer. Nice pedestal sink. Some storage straight ahead. And then as we back out, we have another bonus room here with the wood floors. No closet, so we don't call this a bedroom. Just really good extra use of space. If you need some nice storage space. Looks really good. Coming back here, show you the owner's suite on the main floor. And then we'll head up to the second floor, show you the really good sized bedrooms before showing the amazing entertainment space down below. We have a really good sized owner's suite here. Nice can lighting. That's a walk-in closet there to my right. Full bathroom. Your second closet here. All the closets have built-in shelving, including the ones on the second floor. Many of them have auto lights that just turn on as you walk in. This all looks really good. And coming back down around here. You got plumbing access straight ahead. Your second closet here, more shelving. And then a beautifully done bathroom. Ceramic flooring. Nice jacuzzi soaking tub. Got the jets built in. You have a linen pantry there. Granite countertop. Looking around here, we're gonna have our walk-in shower. Nice seating area. Tile work was done really well here. Floor to ceiling of the shower. Coming back through, we'll take the spiral staircase to the second floor, and then we'll head down the main staircase to the basement off the second floor. Coming through. Again, the home was really designed to allow as much natural light as possible, and that's going to be seen on the second floor as well. Here's our wet bar. Designed to have some really nice paintings hanging. Then here's your spiral staircase. Coming up, it does have a really good view looking into the great room. Nice beams as well. We've got hardwood floors that greet us here on the second floor. And again, that natural lighting I was just speaking about looking out. Property is zoned heating and cooling, so it's got its own furnace for the second floor. It does have an interesting little nook here. Nice balcony here, looking off. We have one bedroom to my right, and we have two more farther down. Really good sized room. Tons of closet space on this one. This one actually has a bonus room to walk into as well. So the four doors to the left here, that's one giant closet. All built in with lighting. You see it kind of goes all the way through there. And then the last closet door is independent. Be used for linens or what else you like coming through. This looks excellent as well. They did a really good job tiling the shower. Here's what that looks like. Nice rain overhead shower. Good shampoo dish there. Come back through, you have a bonus room here. This is facing east. Some built-in shelving. And then here we've got a door. This is going to be your second floor furnace. Does have good ventilation down there, servicing the furnace. That's kind of what that looks like. You've got your sub panel there on the right. The other furnace is going to be down in the basement. Walking back through, we have two other really good size second floor bedrooms with their own bathrooms and walk-in closets. Coming down our hallway here. The first one's to my right. Really nice size walk-in. We've got the bathroom there to the right. Straight ahead is going to be the walk-in closet, the lights that turn on automatically. Again, it's really nice built-in shelving. And walking through, this bathroom has the shower and toilet separate from where the vanity and sink are located. Separated here by a pocket door. Really nicely tiled. Did a really good job on this. And here appears to be a quartz vanity. Really good size. And walking through, we've got our third bedroom. Now, a lower level does have a couple extra finished rooms you could use as bonus sleeping areas, but they're not legal bedrooms. This sits above the owner's suite below. Nice large windows. Nice chandelier lighting. Walk-in closet here. Bathroom to the right. Really good lighting. And coming through here, you have your ceramic floor. Really large window to the right. This is facing easterly. And then here, good window. Appears to be a granite countertop. And then looking this way, the granite flows here into our shower. So it looks really nice as well. Close our door, coming back around. Heading back down the hallway on the second floor balcony. We'll go down the main staircase. Really nice solid wood. Come around this way. Basement has really been designed for entertaining. It's got several walkouts to the patio below. Has a wine chiller as well, whole room. Really nice how the railing here changes. See if I can get my light to adjust. There we go. Kind of gives you that wood look. And what it does is it mirrors what we have going on here on the bar top. So this all looks excellent. Get my light to adjust. Wine chiller room straight ahead. Here's our entertaining space. Did a really good job finishing off the columns. We'll walk out that door last to show you the patio in the backyard. We've got some storage here underneath the garage. Sorry, not the garage. Underneath the staircase. And here, we've got a powder room for the lower level. Walking into the finished room here. This is one of two ways to exit to the backyard. It does have a little cubby hole right here. Looking around this way. Really nice frosted glass doors. We've got the unfinished room here. So we're going to find our hot water tank and our furnace. And coming through this way, under the great room, we do have our sump pump here. It's kind of a little bit shorter, but it's nice that they insulated the floors. We're not going to walk in there, but it does have the electrical panel. Buried electric. Coming back through, they did an excellent job here on the bar top. It does have some shelving under. Nice refrigerator there. We got the sink for the wet bar. Some up lighting as well. Here's our wine room. It does have a chiller and humidifier. Coming back through. I guess that could be a dehumidifier as well. Walking this way. Really nice lighting. Walking out. So the backyard, like you showed, was partially fenced in one area. The rest is not fenced. We've got the beautiful double doors are open for us here. Designed to allow really good entertainment for people coming and going and airflow. There's our patio. Get my light to adjust. There we go. There's our deck. This is looking east. Here we are looking southerly. As we go to the right, we're going west. Really nice here. We got a gate for a riding lawnmower. And the property line, per the survey, goes back pretty far. You can tell where the grass stops. And then the weeds get a little heavier. Here's a back view of the house. Really nice. If you have any questions, please check out the description below for additional details in terms of price, size of rooms. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thank you.